I'm gonna hit go live. We're at 11:34 and going live. We're live.
Hey everybody, we're here at Brewing in Center today for our first series of Brewbotics events. Brewbotics events are going to highlight the latest technologies from all of our robotics manufacturers we have and see the enhanced technologies. Let's take a walk through the room here and start looking to see what all we've got. Got our C&E stand here set up with all of our swag. Always got to have at these events. First thing we kind of encounter here are a couple of Mir mobile industrial robots. These guys are autonomous mobile robots. We've got a Mir 500 and a Mir 250 shelf carrier here as we kind of walk through. So the Mir 500 is kind of showcasing picking up the pack off the rack. It's out there right now, but you can imagine this is just picking up and backing off, taking it to be delivered to a warehouse, for example. 250 shelf carrier here can pick up a shelf in space. So imagine maybe a set of flow racks on top of this and transfer parts automatically. And you can find that cart anywhere in that vicinity. The next station we've got over here are Yaskawa Motoman Smart Series robots. One we're kind of highlighting is the HC10 collaborative robot. It's outfitted with a couple of different on-robot tools. Right now we're using the on-robot 3FG three-finger gripper. And to pick up these cylindrical objects. It's also got a vacuum gripper on it, and then we've got an RG2 turbo gripper out here in front. So this is just doing a simple pick-and-place application where it goes down and picks these guys up and puts them in their new spot and brings them back to show that. The other thing we're showing here is the ability for this robot to have to flip somebody. So there it's all the reset that and take back off and set that forward to be the safe speed so nobody gets in. Over here's the Moto Mini, so this is a small tabletop kind of guy, almost a scare replacement. Just doing simple pick-and-place operation there with a shunt electric gripper on it as well. Both of these are operated by the smart pendant, so the key to this is that we've got a really easy-to-use software, but industrial-grade robots with that software. All right, let's keep heading this direction. Over here we have Miss Cinta Carlson from Merck Plastic. What do we got going on today over here? We're live on YouTube.
Oh, not nervous at all. Right, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, like, More Plastic makes cable management solutions, so anything to manage, protect your cables. So if I'm sure you just saw the Yaskawa HC10, so the conduit and those little straps on there, that's our product, so basically helping to, safely route the cable from the robot controller to the end of arm tooling.
Yeah, so Merck Plastic has a few different product categories and they're all kind of focused on plastic. That's kind of how they got in this business with the conduit, and it really stands up to being beat around by robots quite a bit. That's really where they shine, in this highly corrugated conduit for routing your cables and protecting them.
Yeah, really high flex, and you still have a lot of crash resistance. So that usually helps when you have a very high flex robotic application where, like the conduit is a little bit whacked against the robot.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you. So this is actually the system we saw with the HC10, the components of that, with the conduit and the cable holders that we had on the HC10 over there earlier. This is the component. Now we have mission for CME. So this has not been officially announced yet, so this is kind of the unofficial kickoff, I guess, with our partnership with Brewing and making some of the vacuum grippers. We've got Rick Hall with us here today. Rick, what do we got going on here? We've got standard products?
Yeah, there's some of the standard products that Jolene offers. It's for various different size of applications. This is a bag gripper, which it comes in different sizes. This guy is a smaller bag gripper. And we also have check valve tools. It's a different technology up inside the grippers where if it's not completely covered, the check valves close. Or we have what's called a metered port, which that needs to be completely covered, and it's got an enormously strong pick. Jolene can do completely custom solutions for any vacuum picking requirement, as well as we're introducing to the United States wood lifting systems, which are very popular in Europe right now. Jolene is a family-owned company by two brothers. The brother in Europe handles predominantly the wood systems, and the brother in the U.S. works with predominantly industrial automation type applications, but we're getting more into wood. So it's great to be working with you guys, and we're looking forward to it.
Excited for a new partnership. This is kind of a hole we had in our robotic offering. We didn't really have much of a vacuum, and kind of touch base here. These guys do things like this, so they're picking up several boxes off for cases for palletizing sort of applications, which is one we run across quite a bit. And now we have a better solution for that than what we had in the past. Thank you. Thank you.
You're quite welcome.
So next up was already kind of mentioned a little bit, was the On Robots tool. And we've got Christian Hoogard, who's the VP of Sales for the Americas, I believe is the correct title. Yes. He's got an assortment. So On Robots does a great job of a wide range of tools that make it really easy to get up and running. So Christian, what do we got going on here?
Yeah, so we got a part of our portfolio here on display. We got some vacuum grippers, we got sander, we got servo-based grippers. Basically, all our system is, well, not the whole portfolio, but our system here is on display. So we'll be able to demonstrate how the grippers work, how our system works, different platforms, different applications. So come on down and we'll bring your piece that you want to grip and we'll test it out. Yeah.
So the RG2 is the one we saw on the EC10 over there, and the VG10. Those are the ones that are mounted. And this is kind of the key to the system. This is a quick change, a single quick change, and a dual quick change. And the parts just snap right in and out of those pretty quickly. You've seen Jeremy's TikTok challenge we've done before. We've got an electrical interface there as well. It makes it pretty simple to get up and going.
Yeah. We got our new magnetic gripper on display here and our new vacuum, the larger version of the guy you have down there.
Yeah. Sweet. Thank you. Speaking of magnetic grippers, this is the company that Danny's been with for quite a while, 7 or 8 years, probably our oldest partnership in our robotics group here. The company is MagSwitch, and the basis of their tool is kind of shown here in this little keychain. There's 2 magnetic discs in these things, and we rotate them either with pneumatic or electric pressure. And once we do that, the magnet is either off or it's on, depending on how those magnets are aligned. So safe operation, it goes about 3 degrees over travel, so it removes air pressure. If it's pneumatically operated, it maintains that grip. And we just got different form factors for that. So this is a little T20, a fairly small, inexpensive tool. We can do some custom shoes on there to fit your part. Linear array. Speaking of the custom shoes, so this is a PLA wide linear array. It's got V-blocks on here that allows us to get a hold of these round parts. So again, if I can manually operate this guy. Maybe. There we go. Spin those magnets again. We've got released. And the magnet is actuated. Quite a bit of force there. We also do some pretty cool things with pin clamps. You can imagine a part with a hole in it. Instead of having the mechanical clamps to kind of hug the part, magnets says they like to kiss the part. So you have something like that that locates a little bit, and we turn the magnet on for work holding. We also got some that have the ability to do thin metal de-stacking. So with these circular array tools, guy out of here. You kind of see how it's possible to only pick up thin sheets at a time, single sheet once. Whereas with one of these heavier tools, I try to do that and pick up both of those sheets at the same time. So there's a lot of engineering that goes into the right application of these magnetics. One of the things MagSwitch does really well is we give them CAD files and parts we're trying to do and all the material properties. They'll help us specify the correct tool and even the correct fixturing to mount those tools with. All right, let's see what else we've got over here. So around the corner here we have Mr. Josh Egg, Essential Robot Products. Josh, everybody. Mainly represents the robot system products. So we kind of focus on tool changers, their swivels, and their Zero products. So Josh, what we got going on here?
So we have quite a bit going on here. We have our Zero, right? Up to 500 degrees of rotation without the cable package moving, which is a huge deal in your integration. So that's the Zero product. We have a series of swivels and swivel tool changers or rotary unions. So you get constant motion through that 6-axis and eliminate that cable management challenge. Along through some different series. Then we come to tool changers, right? So between 5 kilograms to our little guys around here somewhere. There we go. All the way through our 1,200 kilo monsters. Other than that, we also have Macron Dynamics down here. In this case, for a Moto Mini RTU. If you want to move that robot around, expand that work envelope, we're down here on the RTU. And then finally, we take those cobots, let them multi-purpose them. We have a cobot base mount. You can pick it up, set it down, relocate it, and have absolute repeatability of where that goes, along with manual tool changes as well. So just a little glimpse of what we brought to the show today.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'll mention one other thing that I failed to mention. We were looking at the mobile robots. Another of our partners is Brewing, and their business is making top modules for Mir. And the only real component we have today on display of theirs is the cart that interfaces with the Mir shelf carrier. They also make top modules that are powered rollers. It would be pretty popular for making other set of powered rollers and automatically doing that transfer. They also have some different lifting mechanisms that would go on top of the robot for doing similar to what we see in here with our paddles. We have one other partner that I don't believe has made it yet today from Shunk. So Shunk is a name that a lot of people in the robotics world are familiar with. So they've got a huge array of gripping tools. We did see one from Moto Mini, one of the smallest ones. They also have a collaborative line of products that run pretty well at great. I think that's the basis of what we got going on here today.
Want to show them the other highlights? Is the free food?
The other highlights of the beer? Yeah, right. So the best part of Brewbotics here is that we do these at local breweries. So this is the first one. We hope to do 12 this year around our territory. C&E covers Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, and Central Tennessee. And we're hoping to do every couple of weeks doing this in different locations. So in 2 weeks we're going to be in Cincinnati. Shortly after that we're going to be up in Toledo. We may make a stop between Dayton and Toledo kind of in that same time frame also. And then keep kind of populating that and putting out where the next locations are. But the beautiful thing here is that we get in a space like this, you can come in, kind of talk to the manufacturers, understand what they've got from the people that know it best, have a couple of cold beers, maybe some lunch, light appetizers, hang out for as long as you want. You know, it's a Thursday afternoon, so don't make it back on Friday. But we're pretty excited about this whole series. We kind of transformed what our Cobot happy hours were a year and a half, a couple years ago. Where it was more just me talking all the time, and I thought this would be a lot better experience for people to come, talk to the folks from the factory, understand what they've got coming up. They certainly know all the stuff better than I do. It's good to have all these experts in one room and bring them close to you so much travel is harder to talk to them about it. Yeah. I think that's all I got. We're excited here.
Say thanks for joining us.
Thanks for coming. We appreciate you tuning in.
Come out to one in person.
Yeah, that's right. Try to make one. We're here for a few more hours. If you're in the Dayton area, feel free to swing down. We're in Centerville down here, and then a couple weeks in Cincinnati. So we hope to see you on it soon. Thank you.